On this day, we have a Molly of Denali DVD. This is Molly's Awesome Alaskan Adventures. Includes more than 6 hours of fun. Spine Pack contains the episodes Grandpa's Drum, Have Canoe Will Battle, Very Itchy Day, Hurry Eggs or Bust, Cabbageazilla, Name Game, First Fish, Amazing Snow, Bird in the Hand, Bye Bye Birdie, Culture Clash, Party Moose, Eagle Egg Hunt, Dream 2, Hot Springs Eternal, Tui's Hero, The Worm Turns, Little Dog Lost, Suki's Bow, Brand New Flag, Sap Season, Book of Mammoths, Noon Ivog, Grain Song, Fiddle of Nowhere, A Splash of Mink, Reading the Mud, Unsinkable Molly Mabray, Winter Champions, Whose Keys to Their Consequences, and finally, Q-Ya Spy. This is 6.5 hours on 2 discs, and it's widescreen. Molly of Denali, Molly's Awesome Alaskan Adventures. Includes more than 6 hours of fun on DVD. Peabody Award-winning series. Thank you. On this day, we have a PBS Kids DVD. This is 17 fun food stories, over 3 hours of fun. Spine Pack includes 17 stories from 11 PBS Kids series. They are Alma's Way, Arthur, Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Donkey Hody, Eleanor Wonders Why, Let's Go Luna, excuse me, Lila and the Loop, Molly of Denali, Pinkalicious and Peter Rivik, Rosie's Rules, and finally Work It Out Wombats. And it's widescreen, 210 minutes. PBS Kids, 17 fun food stories, over 3 hours of fun on DVD.